Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit photo using Adobe Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Photoshop mobile application on my phone, and then I'm going to go to the photo editor and choose the photo from my device to be edited with this Photoshop. For example, I'm going to select photo from this pins folder. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and here in the Photoshop, we'll be able to access editing tools. As you can see, these are the editing tools we can use to edit our photo. You can apply border, sticker, text, overlay background, makeup, and then make your photo smoother, crop your photo, and then do adjustment for your photo. You can adjust the lighting, and then the exposure, um, saturation, contrast, and it's up to you. You can use the editing tools according to your photo, and I'm not gonna do adjustment because my photo is already good with the lighting and also the exposure. Here I'm going to apply face retouch feature guys. I'm gonna go to the face and I'm going to make the eyes bigger. Go to the size if you want to change the size. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the contour. I'm going to make the jawline sharper. Okay, I think that's enough. And then I'm going to apply makeup to my photo. Go to the makeup option, and here you will be able to apply lips color. I'm gonna go with natural. Make sure you have good internet connection so you can use all these features in the Photoshop. I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, it looks good. And then I'm going to go to the eyes and apply eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to select the romantic. Wait guys, it's still loading guys. Okay, now it's done. And then I'm going to make my photo smoother. I'm going to go to the smooth and increase the value. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. And if you want to save it, you can click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit a photo using Photoshop Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.